In this video, we are going to identify the 3 different types of 94X e-filers and show you how to set up e-filing in Drake Accounting. When e-filing 94X tax returns for your client, you will either be the business taxpayer, the ERO, or the reporting agent. You could be one type of e-filer for one client and another type of e-filer for a different client. A business taxpayer e-files for his or her own company and is responsible for the contents of their return. So this would be you e-filing your own business's 94X return, and you need to set up your firm as a client. You digitally sign the return with the 10-digit IRS assigned PIN for which you applied to the IRS to receive. An ERO e-files for his or her client, but is not responsible for the content of the client's return. There is no PIN application process because the ERO PIN is a combination of the EFIN plus ERO selected PIN plus client selected PIN. In addition to the 94X return, an ERO must file an 8879 or 8453. A reporting agent e-files on behalf of his or her client and is responsible for the content of the client's return. In order to e-file as a reporting agent, you will have to obtain a 5-digit IRS assigned PIN, and you will use that 5-digit PIN to sign the client's 94X returns that have been completed on Form 8655. Please note, in order to e-file any 94X return, you must update your EFIN information with the IRS by logging into the IRS e-services account and add the 94X series to the types of returns that you want to e-file. You must also have the correct name control for your firm and for the client for whom you are e-filing 94X returns. If either name control is incorrect, the return will be rejected. Call the IRS EIN verification line at 1-800-829-4933. The first step to complete in order to e-file 94X returns is to turn on e-filing in Drake Accounting. To do this, go to Firm Information Setup. In the e-file setup section, check the e-file 94X box. Once you check this box, red validators appear indicating you must complete those fields in order to save the entered information. The ERO PIN is a 5-digit self-selected PIN. The reporting agent PIN is a 5-digit IRS assigned PIN. Enter the information for one or both of these options. Remember that as a firm, you might be an ERO for one client and a reporting agent for another. The last field is the 4-character business name control. Enter your firm's name control and click Save. Now turn on e-filing for each client to e-file their 94X returns. From the Client Selector screen, select the appropriate client, expand the client module, and select Edit. Go to the e-file Options tab. In the 94X file section, check the e-file 94X box and then select whether to transmit the client's 94X returns as an ERO, a reporting agent, or as a business taxpayer. If you are transmitting as an ERO, the taxpayer's 5-digit PIN for e-file is the client's self-selected PIN and the signature is the client's name. If you are transmitting as a reporting agent, just enter the client's name control and the signature is the reporting agent's name. If you are transmitting as a business taxpayer, enter the IRS assigned 10-digit PIN and the signature would be your name. The name control for e-file must be the correct 4-character name control. Once you have entered the information, click Save. For more information, visit accounting.drakesoftware.com.